Earlier, we defined what we mean by statistics. In our study of business statistics, we classify statistics in two ways: descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics is a method of organizing, summarizing, and presenting the data in an informative way. Examples of descriptive statistics are the mean, standard deviation, proportion, range, and other statistical measures. The following are two examples of descriptive statistics. If you look at the first example, it's looking at the United States population for various years. If we calculate the percentage growth from one decade to the next, it is a descriptive statistics. However, it would not be descriptive statistics if we use these to estimate the population of the US in the year 2020 or the percentage growth from 2010 to 2020. The reason is these statistics are not being used to summarize past populations, but rather to estimate future populations. In example 2, the average person spent $103 on Valentine's Day merchandise in 2010. This is an increase of 50 cents from 2009. This is an example of descriptive statistics because it's an increase from the previous year. Inferential statistics deals with a statement and estimates, predictions, or a generalization about a population based on a sample. The main use for inferential statistics is finding something about the population using a sample taken from that population. For example, we recently had an election, and polls are frequently taken during election season to determine how voters would vote for or against certain political candidates vying for office or certain ballot measures. These polls are normally based on a sample of eligible voters, the sample size ranging from 800 to 1,500 eligible voters. Political campaign teams or political action groups rely on these poll results to make decisions that would impact the success of the positions or candidate they are promoting. A significant part of this textbook deals with inferential statistics.